This pie is vegan. I know that's hard to believe. I know that looks just like meat, but this is a plant-based dish that is comforting, it's hearty, it's warming, it's healthy. It's from our book, Healthy Vegan, so we made sure it was healthy. Let's get into the recipe. One thing to bear in mind when you're choosing the right vegan steak, try and find one that's low in salt and saturated fat. That's gonna make it healthier. If you can't get all of your meat into one pan, then just do it in batches. Do half and then set that aside while you do the next. For this dish, any mushrooms will do. Chestnut mushrooms, button mushrooms, whatever you've got, totally fine. Red wine is going to go great here for adding flavour, but if you prefer, you could always go for some pomegranate molasses or even some alcohol-free red wine. We recommend you go for the lower salt stock. That's going to be healthier, and then you can season it as you wish. And definitely leave it to cool for 5 minutes so you don't build up too much steam in your pie. That could be disastrous. The secret of the healthiness of this pie is we're using Filo Pastry rather than puff or short crust. We're gonna crumple that into loose balls, and that gives us a winner of a pie top. Bang that in the oven for about 20 minutes until the pastry is crispy and beginning to darken. There you have it. That is a meaty mushroom pie. Absolutely gorgeous, pretty easy to make, super healthy. It's meaty, it's comforting, it's hearty, and we're serving it with delightful crisp greens. So that is not just a plate of happiness, but it's a plate of healthiness as well. This is low in fat, it's low in sugar, it's protein packed, it's full of fiber, it's really great for you. It's also delicious. But don't just take my word from it, let's see what Ian thinks. Ian, fancy a bit of pie?
Yes, I do. This looks amazing. That pastry is incredible, right? Remarkably meaty.
The best thing for me about this is the kind of thick sauce, the actual innards of the pie. Seitan is lovely, flavourings are incredible. You've got the rosemary, you've got the thyme, you've got the parsley in there as well. But yeah, just the richness of it, it's perfect.
Yeah, a pie like that really does live and die by the thickness and niceness of the gravy. Nailed it with that one.
Hope you love the recipe. Do let us know your thoughts in the comments down below, and we will see you on the next one.
Take care, guys. Peace.